Make a press kit when branding your business. You must create what is known as a press kit when developing the brand for your business. The press kit ensures that every blogger or publicist who references or uses your content represents your business appropriately and accurately. A press kit should include the following: logos in PNG format, a small biography of your business and of each of the products you sell. A press contact represents the person who can be contacted to request additional information, photos of your business as well as your employees and products, facts about your company. The press kit is crucial to your brand development process.
Aha!
The reason is that when you build your links, you want what the press says is true.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.